Is this on? Hey, everyone, it is Hair Tweet Cat, Jesse in the real world, and I have been away because the market has not been friendly. No, I have been watching the market every day and investing almost every day, especially on those down dips, and the wind is blowing like crazy. If you hear that, it's because I'm under tornado watch, but I'm going to risk it all just for everyone who's tuning in. But uh, basically, I had to take a break for about a week, almost a week and a half, because my company was acquired by another company, and there's been a lot of work, a lot of transition between that. So I've just been super busy, and I'm a papa and a husband, and I have side jobs and businesses, and I work like crazy. So I couldn't find the time literally to make a quick video, but I am here now. And if you have questions, you can always put questions down below, and I will answer everything to the best of my ability. Investing is a great hobby of mine. It's a passion of mine, and I've been very successful ever since I was a little kid. Even like elementary school, I remember we would do challenges in math class where we would have to we'd get the Wall Street Journal paper every day, and we would pick out our stocks, our buys, and our sells. And at least back then, I did amazing, and I didn't even have a chance to actually even look into those companies like we can now because technology is our friend. So, but anywho, this is where we are in investing your lunch. Basically, I take lunch money, and instead of eating it, I just stick it into stocks to see how it grows by the end of the year. And whatever this account ends up being, I'm just going to give it to my wife, and she can plan a vacation for the family, or uh, go like plan a trip so we can go visit her family over in Germany or something like that. So, with that being said, we're at 2.5, just under 2.5% up. We were way up right after Palantir earnings, but we couldn't expect that pop to really last. That would have been very short sighted of us. And I think I'm going to actually let you guys look at the storm in a second. It's coming down. Hopefully, it's not hailing on my telly ride. So, anyways, so this is what I've done. So it's been up and down. I added bingo to our portfolio actually pretty recently because I need to get this to 50, but I want to have a good price, and then I'm going to transfer over 50 from a debt account that I have. I'll pay myself for it, but make it part of the portfolio. But then I'm going to show how to sell covered calls against it. Gold, I've been adding to that because I want to get to at least 10, that we can have some secured uh, dividend income. And also, sorry, I stuttered because the thunder is insane. Uh, if you watch the Weather Channel, and you'll see what's going on here in the southeast. So, and then we Palantir, thank gosh, is back over 8. On my main account, I have through Webull. I got several cash secured puts at $8 and $7. So I want to stay above 8, because on a few of those I did it within a few pennies of 8. So I got maximum premium on it. So, and it was on a deep red day. So got really good premium. And now that it's going up, that's so great, so great. Maybe if it gets to 80, 85%, 90%, I will just sell those contracts and keep that cash, and then do it again on another red day. But and then we just continued to add shares in this one. We've also been continuing to add shares to the SoFi account, and then we put back into Tesla because Tesla, uh, had a great run up. I did sell out. I shouldn't have. I learned my lesson for now, and I was pretty confident that even with the bad feedback from the investor day, it was actually a very positive investor day. If you just look a little deeper, uh, I know some folks were expecting more with the master plan, expecting more about future vehicles and all that. But honestly, the idea of how modular the next plants are going to be and moving forward, and just how efficient building these cars they're light years ahead of all the other car manufacturers. So honestly, by the end of this year, not that there's a lot of good news to go off of right now, but by the end of this year, this one could easily, I don't want to say double, but it could be $100 higher than it is now for sure. So $300 target price by the end of this year, early next year is not crazy at all. So that's what I've been doing. And just if you want to just power through all those buys in case you need proof, we can just do it here. So I'll just power through. Like we added gold on down day. Like I'm always buying on dips. SoFi on a down day. Palantir down day. SoFi, that one was kind of going up and down, but it was still a down day. Oop, another down day, so bought into it. Palantir, I was riding that wave after earnings, but I wasn't going to not buy any Palantir because, especially for this portfolio, I want to get to 100 shares as quick as possible so I can show just by investing your lunch money how you can get 100 shares and then sell covered calls against it that are way outside the money. So hopefully you don't run any risk on getting exercise, but then just another way to generate income. Then you can literally take that premium and buy more shares of what it is that you are passionate about. But the best way to actually get into, if you're not going to buy just shares here and there to 100, is do covered cash secured puts. So you'll just get a block of 100, but that's the best way to buy in because you're buying on your terms. You're getting a great price. If something is $10 and they say, okay, we'll give you $50 premium if you agree to buy it at $10, then you just got it for $9.50. So it's a great way to do it. So and all right, so we'll just keep going through here. The storm is crazy outside, so I'm a little distracted. I got to drive in it. All right, so I bought more gold, bought Palantir, SoFi. This is where I bought some BNGO. I learned about this company while doing research on blood cancers because I know several people that have been going through it, having issues with that in my very close family, immediate family, and best good friends and their family. So I ran across this country and this company, and what I saw and read is very, very promising. So BNGO, I will do more dives into that. I think it's a steal for what their high has been. It looks like last year they were like in the 15s. So no way it'll get there anytime soon, but I think $2, $3 is a very respectable level for this company in moving forward in the short term, next year or so. Let's see, keep going through here. So more gold. Gold pays that dividend. More Palantir, BNGO. That's where I bought Tesla. More gold, SoFi, and we're all caught up right there. So that is where we are. We're up on just about everything. The only one that is down a little bit is gold and Tesla, but everything else has been positive, and I'm still waiting for bonds, BND, to get below like $69 again before I get into that. So that's where we are. Hope everyone's doing great. Thank you for watching. If you watch this long, if you have questions on any of these stocks, like why do I think they're good for a small portfolio, because that's what this is, a very, very, very small portfolio, to just kind of get people engaged, learning about stocks, comfortable with stocks, small amounts, so you can build up your confidence. And that's what I want everyone to do, is to build up their confidence with the market, invest it. Don't just let your money deteriorate in a savings account while inflation is running amok. I mean, gosh, you get paid 1% on your money and inflation is going up at 5-6%. I mean, every year you're losing 5% right there. At least risk a little bit and grow your money where you can. After Palantir earnings, this account was up over 20%, but it came back down to reality. But this is where we should be: low, slow growth, nice and slow. All right, peace. Bye.